natural and home remedy for body dysmorphic disorder. Bipolar disorder. Bipolar disorder is a complex disorder that likely stem from a combination of genetic and non-genetic factors. The mode episode associated with it involve clinical depression or mania, extremation and energy, with a period of normal mode and energy in between episode. Severity of mode episode can range from very mild to extreme, and can happen gradually or suddenly within a time frame of day to week. When discrete mode episode happen 4 or more times per year, the process is called rapid cycling. Rapid cycling should not be confused with very frequent moment-to-moment change in mode, which can sometimes occur in people with bipolar disorder or other conditions such as borderline personality disorder. Along with manic or depressive episode, patients with bipolar disorder may have disturbance in thinking. They may also have distortion of perception and impairment in social functioning. Depression symptom of bipolar disorder. Decreased appetite en barre oblique or weight loss, or overeating en weight gain. Difficulty concentrating, remembering, en making decision. Fatigue, decreased energy, slowed down. Feeling of guilt, or heartlessness, helplessness. Feeling of hopelessness, pessimism. Insomnia, early morning awakening, or oversleeping. Loss of interest or pleasure in hobby and activity that once enjoyed. Persist physical symptoms that do no respond to treatment, such as digestive disorder, and chronic pain. Persistently sad, anxious, or anti-mood. Restlessness, irritability. Thought of death or suicide, suicide attempt. Body dysmorphic disorder. Body dysmorphic disorder is a mental disorder in which you can't stop thinking about one or more perceived defect or flaw in your appearance, a flaw that, to water, is minor or no observable. But you may feel so ashamed and anxious that you may avoid many social situations. When you have body dysmorphic disorder, you intensely obsess over your appearance and body image, repeatedly checking the mirror, grooming or seeking reassurance, sometimes for many your day. Your perceived flaw and repetitive behavior cause you significant distress, and impact your ability to function in your daily life. You may seek out numerous cosmetic procedures to try to fix your perceived flaw. Afterward, you may feel a temporary satisfaction, but often the anxiety return and you may resume searching for a way to fix your perceived flaw. Treatment of body dysmorphic disorder may include cognitive behavioral therapy and medication. Symptômes. Signs and symptoms of body dysmorphic disorder include extremely preoccupé with a perceived flaw in appearance that water can be seen or a minor. Strong belief that you have a defect in your appearance that make you ugly or deformed. Belief that others take special notice of your appearance in a negative way or mock you. Engaging in behavior aimed at fixing or hiding the perceived flaw that are difficult to resist or control, such as frequently checking the mirror, grooming or skin picking. Attempting to hide the perceived flaw with styling, makeup or cloth. Constantly comparing your appearance with others. Always seeking reassurance about your appearance from others. Having perfectionist tendency. Seeking frequent cosmetic procedure with little satisfaction. Avoiding social situation. So preoccupé with appearance that it cause major distress or problem in your social life, work, school or other area of functioning. You may obsess over one or more part of your body. The feature that you focus on may change over time. The most common feature people obsess about include face, such as nose, complexion, wrinkles, acne or blemish. Hair, such as appearance, thinning and baldness. Skin en vain appearance. Breast size. Muscle size en tonnes. Genitalia. Life style en home remedy. Body dysmorphic disorder variant treatment from a mental health professional. You can do something to build on your treatment plan, such as stick to your treatment plan. Don't skip therapy session, even if you don't feel like going. Even if you're feeling well, resist any temptation to skip your medication. If you stop, symptoms may come back. You could also experience withdrawal-like symptoms from stopping a medication too suddenly. Learn about your disorder. Éducation about body dysmorphic disorder can empower you and motivate you to stick to your treatment plan. Pay attention to warning signs. Work with your doctor or therapist to learn what might trigger your symptoms. Make a plan so you know what to do if a symptom return. Contact your doctor or therapist if you notice any change in symptom or you fail. Practice learning strategy. At home, practice the skill you learn during therapy so they become strong habits. Avoid drug and alcohol. Alcohol and recreational drug can worsen symptoms or interact with medication. Get active. Physical activity and exercise can help manage many symptoms, such as depression, stress and anxiety. Consider walking, jogging, swimming, gardening or taking up another form of physical activity you enjoy. Avoid excessive exercise a way to fix a perceived flow. Coping and support. Talk with your doctor or therapist about improving your coping skill, and way to focus on identifying, monitoring and changing the negative to behavior about your appearance. Consider the tip to help cope with body dysmorphic disorder. Write in a journal. It can help you better identify negative to, motion and behavior. Don't become isolated. Try to participate in normal activity and regularly get together with friends and family who can act healthy support. Take care of yourself. Eat healthy, stay physically active and get sufficient sleep. Read reputable self-help book. Consider talking about them to your doctor or therapist. Join a support group. Connect with others facing a similar challenge. Stay focused on your goal. Recovery is an ongoing process. Stay motivated by keeping your recovery goal in mind. Learn relaxation and stress management. Try stress reduction technique such as meditation, yoga or reiki. Don't make important decisions when you're feeling despair or distress. You may not be thinking clearly and may regret your decision later.